Good morning, everyone. It's our second class, and today we are going to start our first chapter, motion. Today we will cover our first topic, what is motion, and its related concept. So, our first chapter name is motion, and after its name, our first question arises in our mind that what is motion? So, let us understand what motion is. The motion word is related to another word, movement. Movement. Movement means if any object continuously changing its position, then we can say it's showing movement. And similarly, if any object continuously showing movement, then the object is said to be in motion. Let's understand through example. And here we can see clearly there is a gap between its first position and second position. So we can say the A started movement and he finds a gap between its first and second position. So we can say A should be in motion. Without motion, A cannot change its place. So we can define motion that if any object continuously shows movement, then we can say the object is in motion. So now we understood what motion is. Now let's move toward the discovery of motion. How motion came into existence. So first of all, famous scientist Aristotle discovered that the natural tendency of a body is to be at rest. The natural tendency of a body is to be at rest. So he told that कि किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का जो नेचुरल टेंडेंसी होता है, यानी प्राकृतिक जो टेंडेंसी होती है उसकी, वो कैसी होती है? रेस्ट पे, यानी कि एक स्थिर अवस्था में होनी चाहिए वो. बट दिस स्टेटमेंट गिव्स too many conflicts and it's covered with too many confusions. And all you will surprise that when Aristotle started studying about motion and rest, the physics came into existence. जब एरिस्टोट ने मोशन और रेस्ट के बारे में पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया तो फिजिक्स एग्जिस्टेंस में आया. उसके पहले फिजिक्स का नामो निशान नहीं था. एंड I told you already that how physics came into existence. So we can move further. After Aristotle, another famous scientist, Galileo came forward with his own innovative ideas of motion and rest, which we are going to study in this chapter. So let us understand the motion and rest in detail. So after introduction, we can say that in the whole universe, every body exists only in two states. In state of rest or in state of motion. कोई भी वस्तु पूरे ब्रह्मांड में सिर्फ दो अवस्था में रह सकती है, या तो वो मोशन में होगी यानी गति में, या फिर रेस्ट यानी विराम, रुकी हुई अवस्था में होगी. सो नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज रेस्ट एंड मोशन. रेस्ट, a body is said to be in state of rest when its position does not change with respect to its surrounding. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट रेस्ट में तभी हो सकता है जब उसकी पोजीशन अपने सराउंडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज नहीं हो रही. अगर उसकी पोजीशन सराउंडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज हो गई तो वो मोशन में हो जाएगी. अगर उसकी पोजीशन सराउंडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज नहीं हो रही तो वह विराम अवस्था में होगी, यानी कि रेस्ट में होगी. एंड अबाउट मोशन, अ बॉडी सेड टू बी इन मोशन when its position changes continuously with respect to its surrounding. अगर किसी के रेस्पेक्ट में किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का मोशन कॉन्टिन्यूसली चेंज हो रहा है, देन वी कैन से दैट द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन मोशन.